Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upscale low-quality videos all the way to 4K using AI, perfect for old clips, low-resolution footage, or AI-generated videos that need a serious quality boost. I don't waste your time. Let's dive in. Step 1. Download HitPaw Edimakor. First, download HitPaw Edimakor. You can find the official download link in the description below. Step 2. Enhance your video. Once you open Edimakor, go to the Media section and click on Video Enhancer. Here you'll see plenty of options. The AI enhancer can handle all kinds of videos, including old home movies, TV shows and films, video meetings, close-up faces, low-light footage, security monitoring, video games, e-commerce content, black and white films, cinematic color, and log footage. If you're not sure which type to choose, I recommend using General mode. Just hover over General and click Select. Next, upload your video, choose Upscale to 4K, click Generate, and wait a few moments. Your enhanced video will be ready. It's really that simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.